Look how pretty this game is. I forget. Hi, Calvin. Wow, you look like a dumbass even before you get brain damage.
I'm about to load in.
Fight demons. Oh, oh no, we're getting shot at. Oh no, oh no, oh no, I'm spiraling. Oh no, what is happening? Oh dear God, oh no.
Oh my God, that dude's
dying.
eyeballs. Oh, that dude's eyeballs like popped out of his face.
Yeah.
Like in the middle of his spiraling, he just looks at you and his eyeballs are like.
Yeah. Oh, it's this one again. I like this one, but I wanted to see a different one. Even though this one is my favorite. Hey man, those are not very stable! Hey! 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 Careful! 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 Man, I told your ass! Oh my God, that is terrifying! Oh my Jesus Christ! I forgot a big head mode on! Oh my God! Your head is huge! Oh fuck! Calvin! Get up!
Calvin! Come on! Come! Oh my God, you're shoving your hands. Oh, you just kissed him!
I'm inside his face right now.
You're kissing him, what the? You kissed him.
Yeah, smell my finger. Oh, does my finger smell good?
You can kiss the dude.
Did my finger smell good? Oh, oh yeah, his eyes rolled. He was like, oh yeah, that was the shit.
You really like that.
Oh, there's a big rock. There, what? There was big rocks. I have big rocks.
Yeah. That's what I put down.
I have a lot of rocks.
I put those down.
We'll build the wall. I have a wall. You know the best part about my wall?
What?
You're gonna pay for it.
Oh my God.
Whoa, you can put foundations on my wall? What? What? Oh. Oh my God, you can put logs on my wall. Oh!
I'm gonna put all my shit on your wall. You know what I mean. Hey.
Hey, how you doing?
I'm good, how are you? What about this crack over here? Can you see me through one over here?
Oh. Oh God. Look a little up. To the right. Or left. A tiny bit to the right. Yeah. I just see one eyeball.
Yeah. I see.
That's not at all creepy.
Hey, you should let me in there.
How about I come out? I'll come out.
No.
Don't worry, I have a great way out.
You're picking up what I'm putting down. Oh my!
I am out.
You killed me.
Yo, go check out the new crib, bro.
What the fuck?
You should walk in there. You should walk in there. And
Doop 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 doop. Where can I put this last log?
right, I think over there.
What the fuck?
Oh my god. Holy shit.
I think your buried underneath all the logs.
You don't have to find me. Oh my, look at all this wood. Holy sh... Oh my god. I want to make like a...
What the fuck? What is going on? Why do you have a bright light on your head? You have a flashlight on your head, dude. What?
Who? Me?
No, this native. So it's got this weird sickle looking thing.
What
I'm beating his ass. Oh god! He beat me!
He's on a tree. Down here.
Kill that monkey! Oh, I hit him! I hit him with the rock!
Where is he?
Throw rocks at the monkey! Ow, fuck, I think you killed me!
Oh, no, there's another one. Ooh, this view is really pretty. Hey, I can see where you are all the way down there. Look up at the snowy mountain. Can you see where I am?
Yeah. All I see is a red S.
Yeah, I just see a blue L.
I found a way. It's called turtle shell.
Oh.
Turtle shell. But the only problem is I gotta come to you. Don't worry. I'll be there soon. I'll be there pretty quick.
Jesus Christ, what are you doing?
I'm coming. Don't worry about
your
it.
name tag just flying over here.
I'm coming. Hi, friend. Oh God, I was inside the mountain. Hi, hello, friend. Black Jesus has come. I wish people could see the fucking point of view. Just me like fucking zooming up towards you.
Yeah. Could you see it?
I was watching it, yeah.
Your name tag. There it is.
Yeah, let's go! Let's go!
How are you using it? What?
Jump and left click! Jump and left click! Oh god!
Oh my god. What? Oh my god, it
Oh my
jump,
god.
James.
Oh, holy Jesus!
Oh, holy. Oh, I'm flying!
Oh my
Oh
god!
my god, I am flying.
I crashed into a rock.
Oh,
you're right there. Hi.
Hi. Whee! Oh, I bounced on a tree. What the?
Doink, doink, doink.
Boing. You ready to go down the stream?
Doink. Oh wait, can you just actually? Oh my god, going downstream!
Bye!
Oh my god!
Oh my god, it's so bouncy.
What is this shit? Oh god, this is. Oh god.
This hurts my eyes.
This is making me
It's
nauseous.
like shaky for you.
Yeah.
Whee!
Oh,
Oh, I'm going down backwards. Oh, I'm stuck. Oh! Oh, I wasn't using the sled in. Stop! Here, let's go up.
I'm just casually floating downstream. No, I'm not.
Hey.
Oh no! I'm going again!
You should fly to the very tippy top. You gotta find the perfect part to jump down.
Oh, I'm coming up. Dude, that looks like the place. You see that nice little crevice
here?
there?
Yeah, right here.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that is
Oh, that is steep.
scary. Yeah. Let me get my sled out. Where is it? Oh, it's over here.
Stop left. Ready?
Okay, ready? 3.
2, 1, go.
Oh my
Oh my god! Oh Jesus! Holy fuck!
Holy shit. Oh, I'm going
Oh, I
so
ran into
fast.
a tree! Fuck!
Oh, I'm flying! Oh, I'm flying, dude.
Oh my god!
Look at me.
Oh my god! Holy Jesus!
Oh, holy shit.
Oh, I ran into a tree.
Oh, I'm still going all the way down. Oh my god.
Oh, I'm going back. I'm going again. Going again.
What
Going again.
the
Going again. Let's go again. Let's go again. Let's go again. Oh!
What the fuck?